I am. I'm out in Elgin, South Carolina. Yeah, shut down to the Love out in Elgin and go inside, see what they got shaking inside. And oh yeah, once y'all go ahead and hit that like button. And also, hey, look, like I told you, I'm here for the level up, right? And I'm documenting my whole little journey for the level up. So I'm putting my not my YouTube, I'm sorry, my Webull link. Y'all go ahead, link up with the Webull. You know, just by y'all getting the Webull account, I get a free stock, you'll get a free stock. Hey, we all win. But we all for the level up, and we're learning how to become cash poor and asset rich. You get what I'm saying? It's just something I'm learning right now and documenting my journey across this country as I get to see new places on the regular. Get my money up to level up. Y'all gotta come level up with me. And like I said, y'all go check out Anton Daniels. You know, y'all check out his Patreon as well. If you want to be, you know, if you want to be part of the money team here, giving away all the exclusive info we need to level up. And nobody give me noise about smoking. I'm gonna quit smoking. I'm working on it now. I'm actually cutting back. It costs money to smoke. But yes, all definitely about leveling up. And it's good to go. It's good to walk. Get out the truck, exercise. Dragging my feet. Yeah, I'm gonna finish off my smoke here. Outside this Love here in Elgin, South Carolina. See, I done changed headsets, so I don't be liking to look suspicious as I walk through. I done changed up headsets. I don't have the big trucker headset anymore. I'm just with the small Bluetooth joint. And look at this. This is horrible, man. Check this out. All the truck stops have Arby's, Subway. I stopped at a Subway not too long ago, man, and got sick as hell. Like, I don't know what the hell. And Subway and Arby's usually be my last resort, like, to get anything, to eat anything. And it's like, it's just horrible, man. So, Loves, y'all gotta do better, man. All y'all got is Subway and Arby's. And that nasty ass roller grill shit. Nah, you get hungry enough out this motherfucker, you'll eat some Arby's now. That's for sure. Definitely. I'm gonna go inside here. I'm thirsty. Check it out inside the store. See what they got. Very much so thirsty. How you doing? Plenty of fruits and vegetables. I have a whole salad in the truck. I don't need anything to drink. I mean anything to eat. I need something to drink. This is just my little part of my documentation here in Elgin, South Carolina, where it's nothing but this Loves. Yeah, I'm gotta pick me something wise. I have water in my truck. I don't drink a lot of pop, as us Midwest people like to call it, pop or soda, if you're more familiar with that. Get this all lemon lime joint. And this green apple joint. Seeing that I'm gonna do the slick thing, and I'm gonna go to the fuel desk, check out if there's anybody back here. Hold on. All right, now how you doing? I did the wrong thing. I left my wallet in my truck. I'll be right back. I'll be just up here. Yeah. See, that's what happens when you unprepared. But I'd rather leave my wallet in the truck where I know where it's at than opposed to, oh, I don't know where my wallet is. But it's just me. I gotta run quick, run back to the truckers. You know, that's being unprepared. I really just jumped out the truck. I'm so used to, you know, I either have it in my back pocket or have it in the top little cubby hole in my truck. And me and my student, we switched out, and I ended up, you know, putting my wallet in the cubby hole above me. But it's okay. It's all exercise anyway. Out here, middle of the night, they got a big ass entry point. But once you come to the parking lot, it's packed, man. It's always hard to get parking out here, man. That's why it's rough. Ladies, if you got a man out here on this road, understand this man is frustrated. Trust me, it's like pulling teeth finding parking at this time of night. Look, I'm chasing a bag, so I'm running, most of my truck is normally running 19 hours a day. You know, I be tired. But guess what? My lady take care of me when I come home. And I do the same for her. But it's just part of the journey, man. Like, I believe my lady will stick it out. It's rough. You know, me being home. She be wanting to see her man. I be wanting to see my woman. But I guarantee, look, we leveling up. It's just that. Yeah, we leveling up. Out in Elgin, South Carolina for the night, about to chill. But it's all good though, it's all good. Like I say, just a little exercise. I'm gonna run back in, pay for my stuff. You know. Oh, once again, go ahead and download that Weeboy app. Drop my link in there. I got the link in there. Go ahead, add you an account. You know, just like you add an account, you deposit $100 in there. Look, I'm trying to become asset rich. What I learned, I come show y'all and teach y'all, as long as y'all are part of the journey. I mean, it's just trucker's life. Like, you know, I like trucking. I love trucking, okay? I've been to the whole lower 48. I love trucking. But I will say this, I don't see myself doing that in 10 years. I'd rather be sitting behind a desk somewhere at home in a home office. You know, just counting the bag. Taking trips with the wifey, or the wifey taking trips and I'm taking trips, and we link up or whatever and take trips, as long as everybody's happy. You know, my family's good, kids is good, and we do what we want. That's the mission we on. A whole nother level. Becoming a better version of myself. And y'all can see the whole level up. Stay with me. You know what I'm saying? And you will see. Y'all can also be a part of the journey. So go ahead. Get a good, you know, Webull account right there. I'm going to drop the link in there for y'all to go ahead and get you an account as well. And we can, you know, become asset rich. So let me pay for my stuff. I just need something to drink. Sorry about that, boss.
Oh, you're fine. You have a love truck?
Yeah.
$6.04. Need a bag?
Please.
You need a receipt with this?
No, I'm good.
All right, you have a good night, boss.
You too. Thank you. Yes. I'm back with it. I just had to take a few minutes to just take a quick walk. You know. The other night, out here on the road, away from the fam. But we will be enjoying each other more and more the more I level up. Y'all stay with me now. Big truck driver. Y'all can be a part of this major journey. My jewelry gonna get bigger. Look, I'm manifesting. I will be a millionaire in the next year to 2. All y'all gotta do is hit that link down there and get you a Webull account, and let's get these free shares together. It's free money. Why leave free money on the table? That's all y'all gotta do. Stay part of the journey. But I ain't gonna bug y'all no more tonight, you know? We shut down. We chilling. Me and the trainee. Like I say, hit that like button. You can even share it if you want. You know? And add you a Webull account so we can get money together. Look at this motherfucker behind me. Like you want to hit me. But I'm taking my time. And I'm out.